I'm quite sure that you clicked this video because you want to know about these steps to create successful businesses. Well, firstly, I need to apologize because there are no such steps. Just imagine if we could really find that magic formula to create new businesses. All entrepreneurs around the world would already know about this, and we would not have alarming data like the fact that around 80% of new businesses exit the market within the first 2 years of operation in Latin America. Or this other alarming data that says that around 90% of new products that reach the market fail. Actually, I find really annoying that you can find in social media fake entrepreneurs that can assure that they can create successful or even millionaire businesses in just a few weeks. However, what I do think we can do is to share some recommendations that can help entrepreneurs to reduce the risk of failure and increase their chances to create successful businesses. That's why in this video I want to share what I've learned and experienced working with thousands of entrepreneurs and SMEs in different parts of the world. One of the main mistakes we make is that we offer products or services that the market doesn't really need. So my first advice would be to focus and work on the real needs that your customers have, on their pains, on their problems, on their aspirations, motivations, on their frustrations. I mean, you have to really know much better your customers. Today we have different tools and methodologies that can give you a deep insight about what your customers need. Then my second advice, once you have a close look from your customers, would be to work on your value proposition in the way you're going to communicate it, and especially the way you're going to make it different from your competitors. And my third advice would be to work and create your MVP. Yes, your minimum viable product, which is going to help you to test, to validate if what you're offering can get real traction in the market. Because if not, you'll be able to pivot your offer until you find the way to connect with your market. This exercise will also be able to help you to find out your product market fit. Actually, I think that before working on developing your business model, a good exercise to do this, work on your MVP, try to test it, validate it, and start pivoting until you find the right way. These pieces of advice may sound simple, but they are of great help when you're starting a new business. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching again. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.